Question number 5. The Cartesian equation of a line are 3x plus 1 equal 6y minus 2 equal 1 minus z. Find the fixed point through which it passes. Means we have to find the point which this line is passes and its direction ratio, also its vector equation. Means firstly we write given line 3x plus 1 equal 6y minus 2 equal 1 minus z. We write this equation in this form, means x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. Firstly we write the given equation in this form. In this case, point x1, y1, z1 are the fixed point in which this line passes, and a, b, c are called direction ratio of the given line. Then we change this equation into vector form. In order to change it in this form, firstly we take 3 common. It is x plus 1 by 3. Here 6 common. Y minus 2 by 6. Minus 1 common. Z minus 1. Now it seems like x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. Now we can write this equation is x minus 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3 equal y minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 6 equal z minus 1 by minus 1. By this we get fixed point now this equation is changed into this form. Now the fixed point is x1, y1, z1. Then fixed point are x1, the value of x1 is minus 1 by 3. y1, the value of y1 is 1 by 3. And the value of z1 is 1. Means this line passes through point minus 1 comma 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1. Direction ratios of are a comma b comma c. Means the value of a is 1 by 3, b is 1 by 6 and c is minus 1. Now change it into vector form. In vector form, the equation of line is given by r vector equal r1 plus lambda m. Means r1 is the fixed point in which this line passes. Means this line is passes through minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 and 1. Then the value of r1 is given by r1 vector is minus 1 by 3i plus 1 by 3 j cap and 1 k cap. It is r1 vector. And value of m vector. M vector is a vector in which is parallel to the given line. Means the direction ratio of m vector is proportional to direction ratio of given lines. Means direction ratio of given line is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 6 comma minus 1. Then direction ratio of a line which is parallel to the given line is also 1 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 k cap. Then vector equation is r vector equal given points. Mean we can directly write this equation is given point x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Means r1 value of r1 which is minus 1 by 3 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap plus 1 k cap. It is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. plus lambda and m vector. M vector means direction ratio of the given line. Direction ratio of the given line is given by a comma b comma c, means m vector is given by a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, and the value of a b c are given, means 1 by 3 I cap plus 1 by 6 j cap and minus k cap. Now another question